In this video, I'll show you how to fix restrictions on your iPhone when certain settings, apps, or features are blocked. If you're unable to access a specific option, install an app, visit certain websites, or make changes to your device, the issue is often related to screen time restrictions. To check this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Screen Time. From there, scroll down again and select Content and Privacy Restrictions. At the top of the screen, you'll see a switch for Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this option is turned on, your iPhone may be limiting access to apps, purchases, websites, privacy settings, account changes, and other features. To remove these restrictions, turn Content and Privacy Restrictions off. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode to confirm the change. Once it's disabled, go back and try using the feature or setting that was previously restricted. If the restriction is still showing, restart your iPhone and check again. Also, keep in mind that if your iPhone is managed through family sharing, a school, or a workplace, some restrictions may be controlled by someone else. In that case, you may need permission from the parent, administrator, or organization managing the device. And that's it. That's how you fix restrictions on your iPhone and restore access to blocked settings or features. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.